Madam President, good morning. Let me welcome you on
Thank you
today's
very much.
flight
Thank you very
of
much. Thank you
Slovenian
for
Armed
taking
Forces.
me along. Yes.
Yeah. Mr.
Good
Prime
morning.
Minister,
Good morning. Good morning.
we will Črna na Koroškem. We will, my crew members will make just a short briefing, safety briefing for the flight. We expect fair Ljubljana. I wish you a pleasant flight.
Thank you.
Pleasant stay.
Thank you very much. Thanks.
That's the first. During all the flight, your safety belts must be tied. Okay? In the case of visits, wherever you see the sign and that the red tape. So just grab the tape and push, let the seal go out and then push the window.
Kako zdaj? Koga počakamo?